You are waiting to speak perfect English one day, right? But guess what? That perfect day never comes. You don't need perfect English to speak. You just need to start to make your English perfect. તમે વિચારો છો કે ઇંગ્લિશ પરફેક્ટ થાય પછી બોલીશ, પણ એ પરફેક્ટ ડે ક્યારે આવતો નથી. બોલવાનું આજથી જ શરૂ કરો. એ જ તમારા પ્રોગ્રેસનું ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ છે. ફ્લુઅન્સી doesn't start with perfection. It starts with practice. Once I met a student who said, I will speak English when my grammar is perfect. After 1 year, he still did start speaking. Because perfection is an excuse that stops your progress. Start broken English. Start with words, but start. Now we practice some phrases. Don't say, I can't speak. Say, I am learning to speak. Never say, I am not confident. Say, I am becoming confident. Stop saying, my English is weak. Start saying, my English is improving. દરરોજ થોડી પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહો. નાના નાના સ્ટેપથી મોટી ફ્લુઅન્સી આવે છે. નાઉ એક્શન ચેલેન્જ. સ્ટાર્ટ 3 ઇંગ્લિશ સેન્ટેન્સ ટુડે. નો મેટર વોટ. ટોક ટુ યોરસેલ્ફ ફોર 10 મિનિટ્સ. Record yourself and listen. Improvement will surprise you. Even broken English is better than silent English. When a baby learns to walk, hundreds of times falls, still tries. You too must try. Fall and sign in English. Now time to recap. Don't wait for perfection. Start with confidence. Practice daily. Progress, not perfection. Confidence comes from action, not from waiting. આત્મવિશ્વાસ બોલવાથી આવે છે, રાહ જોવાથી નહીં. So start today. Speak today. Because your English journey begins the day you speak your first imperfect sentence. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more English motivational videos. Take care and goodbye.